Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by accepting that Windows 10 lacks native live wallpaper support. Once done, get Wallpaper Engine from Steam and install it. Make sure to run the installer as administrator. This ensures the app can register itself with Explorer. While the download finishes, close heavy programs to avoid install conflicts, and note your current desktop layout so you can restore icons if needed. This step sets permissions, files, and system hooks, so do it now, because the next steps modify how your desktop displays in real time. Open Wallpaper Engine and grant permissions to interact with the desktop. Once the app loads, use the Browse or Workshop tab to find a live background you like. Preview each option so you can see GPU and CPU impact, and then click Apply to set it as your wallpaper. Make sure to adjust performance settings, limit FPS, set quality, and enable pause on battery or when a full-screen app runs, so your system remains responsive and you avoid battery drain or game interruptions. Finalize by enabling Wallpaper Engine to start with Windows and save a named profile for your live backgrounds. This keeps them persistent across reboots. If the wallpaper disappears, first restart Wallpaper Engine, then log off and on or restart Explorer. Make sure no other desktop managers are conflicting. Examples include Rainmeter or custom shell replacements, and update GPU drivers if playback stutters. If problems persist, disable Focus, Assist, and Test with a simple, low-resource wallpaper.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.